Open GitHub. In your web browser, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select your repositories. Step 2. Create a new repository. On the repositories page, click the green New button in the top right corner. This will take you to the page where you can create a new repository. Enter a name for your repository. Add a brief description of your project. Choose the visibility, either public or private. Optionally, check the box to add a README file. Once everything is filled out, scroll down and click Create Repository. After the repository is created, you'll be redirected to its main page. Click on the Add File button and choose Upload Files from the drop-down. You can either drag and drop your project files and folders directly from your computer, or click Choose Your Files to select them manually. The upload process will begin, and depending on the size of your project, it might take a little time. Once your files are uploaded, scroll to the bottom and click the Commit Changes button. Congratulations! Your project is now successfully uploaded to your GitHub repository. If you need to update the description later, simply click the pencil icon next to the description field on your repository's main page. By following these simple steps, you can easily upload and manage your project on GitHub. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.